Hello guys! Time to play some Minecraft. Let's get a diamond. Let's just play the game. I actually saw this like tape volcano in the seed, and I spawned near a volcano. That gotta be true, right? No, it isn't. Like it's just type of volcano in the seed in this world and in the rival world. And to get a diamond like it for my hand, it's still a little bit. It won't work. And hey, 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 why is the volcano over there? And right next to a village. Oh man, well we'll explore that volcano later. But first we gotta loot this village. Where's the blacksmith? Uh, this is actually 6 speedy. It just spawned up right next to the village to the volcano over there. Wait, is that a command block? Wait there. Let's. Where's the flipping blacksmith? Where's the flipping blacksmith? Where is the flipping blacksmith? Oh, not just the angle. Looks like it was fighting those stuff. I just worried about like a half an hour ago. Well, I'll take this bit. And I should probably take some food. I don't know why I spawned right there. We're down next to that volcano. As long as my friend, my 12 teenager Eggman who sent me this world. Luckily he didn't change anything. He showed me by himself. What is even this thing? We'll visit that later, but right now we don't have much time. Oh, and it's already new. Five logs, and now I can go here make some sticks, and now I can go inside the bed for the night. Once I get looted, oh, long days. Yeah, go up, buddy. I'm also 1.21.81, so I'm pretty sure they have a guys in this place. No loads right here, and let's stay here for the night. What deal is that? Yeah, inside water. That's OP. Now I can go out and come. Oh, planes. That works. Ah, you can't go. Oh, wait, we will have to block. Jeez. Then break some cobs. Cobs down underground. Like a stone man. Oh, but another some more dirt. I actually don't know how that volcano got in there in my world, but it's probably because of that thing. I think I thought this is some more. That was the next one. Ah, maybe you try to do this for yourself. I don't know if it's actually real because I did tell him that. Then he just made a world. Was it with this with that was full volcano world as the sea. Yeah. What? Oh man. Is it noon? Starting to get noon. Eesh. Tomorrow, tomorrow once we're at I'm going to check down the. I think it might erupt because I'm pretty sure our whole Earth, literally, is a volcano because inside it is so much lava. Like it'll look like it just started and boom, it ended and has a big, massive death of lava. But I can see myself. If I tap on a mirror, I can see my face. Oh, do I like that? Should I mine more stone? Yeah, I should probably. There's even more. Oh, looks like we're on down. I don't see any more stone, so 18 stone. That's gonna do the job, right? I placed my crafting table on there. We're useless. And going. That's weird. Go make some food. Oh, Joshua. Okay, that's a glitch. Okay, I'm geared up. Don't go. Oh, there's a volcano. How the hell did this thing? How the heck? Oh, I mean, how the heck did this thing even get here? I don't know. I'm just. We even have bedrock. Oh! Holy, holy! That volcano just shot up. Ow! That volcano actually just shot up of lava. Yo. I was hopefully making fun. Hey. Hey. Yeah. The volcano just shot up lava. That volcano just shot lava. I don't think I'm gonna have to be able to complete the video, but this is only gonna be part one. Once you reach 15 minutes, I'm done for. But on the mine, I'm actually gonna loot some people's houses. But oh man, holy cow! How did that volcano just do that? Ugh. Yeah, once this video reach in 15 in 20 minutes, I'm I'm stopping the video. Like, how did he even do that? Uh-oh. I need your iron. Thank you. I'm just gonna take those. Now it's just I only need just one piece of iron. So right now about to soon it will be new. Oh no, I ruined that building. Let's just hope that doesn't that volcano doesn't come back.
لا بس انا اصلي العصر وانزل لها راجل جاي اما يجي براجل بتاع الأوروميتال جاي في السكه.
Yeah,
بص هي لو ندقت عليا وانا بصلي رد
I
عليا.
just that volcano was insane. Literally. Is this our only chance of Lyman? Please tell me no. Like, just please. Oh! Touch. Fire! The volcano. Just نعم. شوي كده. شوي كده. Oh. There's my. Don't think about that, okay? It's just me talking with someone. I'm not telling you guys. doesn't. I hope the lava of the volcano doesn't go down. This, I'm happy. That's gotta be like a new biome. It literally thought it by myself and guessed it. Ugh. So once it reached midnight, night, I'm ending the video. And 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 okay. Oh, oh. I've been 3 days into this thing, and I'm very hungry, so it's time to go mining again. We should go to mine the crafting table and all the other to go. All the grass and come over. That should be enough stone. How to build up. Another 999 to the falls. First 20 minutes are about to hit the day. Where's the sun? I'm just gonna collect them some wheat and toward them before midnight. Before I mean night. So listen, everyone, go over please. At least no one to come on. That's enough stone to basically make a to make that's enough to make a furnace. Just before, just the last day before it's night, that I'm gonna turn my wheat into wheat, my hay bales into wheat. Turn those hay bales into bread. I have more than this stuff.